Hey friends, in CUAD's magic methods is not an official term like in Python, e.g. etc. But people sometimes refer to special methods or magic-like behavior provided by the language, such as those involved in object lifetime, conversion, equality, operator overloading, etc. Since you're asking about C# 5, which was released with .NET Framework 4.5, I'll walk you through 5 important magic or special methods with examples and step-by-step explanations. First up, we have the toString method. Every object in C inherits this from system, object. Its purpose is to return a string representation of the object. Now, this is handy when you want to print an object or use it in a string like this. Next, we have equals and get hash code. These are used when comparing objects or using them in collections like hash set or as a dictionary key. Then we have finalize and dispose. These are used for cleanup, usually of unmanaged resources. The finalizer or finalize method is a destructor that can be called by the garbage collector when an instance is being destroyed. It's important to note that you should not rely on the finalizer to clean up resources, since the garbage collector does not guarantee when it will run. The dispose method, on the other hand, is meant to be called when you're done using an object to explicitly release any unmanaged resources. For example, if you have a class that opens a file, you would call dispose when you're done with the file to close it and release the resources. Note that the finalizer is actually a better name than dispose, but the method is named dispose in the interface disposable, as you can see here. Next, we have operator overloading. You can overload operators like the ones here to give them custom behavior for your classes. So for example, if I add 2 money objects together, I don't want to get a list of 2 money objects. I want to add the amounts together. Similarly for equality, I want to compare the amounts rather than comparing the objects for reference equality. Finally, we have implicit and explicit conversion of operators. You can define how to convert between types using implicit or explicit. For example, if I have a Celsius and want to convert it to Fahrenheit, I can do so using the implicit operator. Here's a summary table of all the methods and features we looked at. Feel free to download the code samples from the description. Let me know if you want more complex examples or a full sample project using these concepts. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.